One is one's own field. The word cell is divided into parts, body and mind. When combined, the mind is considered the greatest and the leader. As the proverb says, the mind is the mother, the body is the servant. That is, the mind is the feeling and thoughts, and the body is the one who acts. Therefore, the Lord Buddha taught us to train our minds, to cultivate our mind, to be established in wholesome states of mind, and to strive to cultivate and develop our own habit by ourselves, because only one self can be our own refuge. That is, everyone will he is, merit and goodness, which are called refuges, because others cannot be a refuge for another person. For example, parents teach their children, to behave well and properly, but on the contrary, their children behave badly, and good results will not arise. Even the Lord Buddha says, the Tathagata is only a teacher, whether or not to practice is up to you. This statement of the Lord Buddha shows that only one self can be relied upon. It is clearly seen, for example, when eating, oneself will be full by oneself, but cannot be filled for others, and others cannot eat and be filled for us. When why people, led by the Lord Buddha, teach and instructs, people should practice and follow by themselves, tending those you do you not yet have morality to be established in morality, and those without faith to have faith. Those who are stingy and give generously will receive the refuge that is hard to obtain, namely merit, the path, the fruits, and nibbana, which no one can inspire except themselves.